Hello students, so in my last video we had discussed about elimination method to find out the value of x and y in linear equation with two variable, and today we are going to discuss another method, that is substitution for finding out the value of x and y. So now I have taken two example and let us discuss about the first one. Here x plus 3y is equal to 4, this is your first equation, and 2x plus y is equal to 6, this is your second equation. In this method we have to find out the value of one variable in terms of other variable, and then we have to put the value of that variable in one of the equations. So for finding out the value of the second variable. So let us see how to solve. So from equation first, x plus 3y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 minus 3y. This will be your equation number third. Now see, we started from equation first, we made equation third, and what is left? Second. It's not compulsory to put on second, but in general we are making one formula, we are making one format to solve substitution method, that we will take the first equation, will find out the third equation and will put it into second equation. So now put the value of x in equation second. So let us see what will be the solution. So 2 value of x is 4 minus 3y plus y is equal to 6. 2 into 4 8 minus 6y plus y is equal to 6. So minus 6y plus y will be minus 5y is equal to 6, and this plus 8 will move that side, minus 8. So minus 5y is equal to minus 2, minus will cancel out, y equal to 2 by 5. So value of y is coming 2 by 5. Again here you see we have to find the value of x, and if we will put the value of y in equation third in place of y, then we will get the equation value of x. So after this, here I am writing, put value of y in equation third. So this will be x is equal to 4 minus 3 into value of y is what? 2 by 5. So this will be 4 minus 6 by 5. After taking LCM 5, this will be 20 minus 6, this will be 14 upon 5. So value of x is coming 14 by 5 and value of y is coming 2 by 5. And if you want to check your answer, see value of y 2 by 5. If we want to check the answer, put it here. X is what? 14 upon 5 plus y is what? 3 into 2 by 5. See, this will be 14 upon 5 plus 6 by 5, and this will be 20 by 5, which is equal to 4, which was our RHS of the first equation. It means our value of x and y is correct. Now move to the second example. Here again 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 will be the first equation, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 will be the second equation. From equation first, 2x is equal to 6 minus 3y. So x is equal to 6 minus 3y upon 2. This will be your equation number third. It's not compulsory to find out the value of x in terms of y. You can find the value of y in terms of x also. Now put, as usual, put the value of x in equation second. So this will be 3, value of x is what? 6 minus 3y upon 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. So this will be 3 6 18 minus 9y upon 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. After taking LCM, this will be 18 minus 9y plus 2 to the 4y must be equal to 4. Here you see minus 9y plus 4y minus 5y, and this 4 and this 2 will go move that side into, and plus 18 will move that side, minus 18. So minus 5y is equal to 8 minus 18 minus 5y is equal to minus 10. This will cancel out. Clearly from here y equal to 2. So we got the value of y is equal to 2. As usual we had done in the last question, we have to put the value of y in equation third for finding out the value of x. So on putting value of y in equation third. So here you see x is equal to 6 minus 3 into value of y is what? 2, and this will be upon 2. This will be 6 minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 0 by 2, or you can say x equal to 0. If you again you want to check your answer, see value of x is 0, this term will simply disappear, and 3 and value of y is what? 2. So 3 into 2 6, that is equal to RHS. It means your value of x and y has come correctly. So this is the substitution method. You can solve as many as questions you can, and if you have any doubt you please post your comment. I must say in substitution method, while putting the value in equation second, be careful and solve carefully, and this is the calculation part only, so you can try as much as you can. Thank you and have a nice day.